Okay, we're going the right way.
Twin Hills, a dirt road.
I love that. Another bus. Wow, look how pretty that is over there.
It's gonna open up down here in a minute.
Well, sure, they gotta have room for that casino. They gotta build that damn casino somewhere. What are those people doing? Look at that, that's a
They
trip.
live in an old ragmo home over here. They digging over there.
Gold. Gold, it's what